for the things that you have done. Yeah, I'm grateful for the triumph that you won. I could go on and on and on. How about your love? Oh yes, I'm grateful, grateful, grateful just to praise you, yeah. Oh, flowing from my heart, and the things I think about, I'm so grateful. I'm grateful for the Ruach Neshama, the breath that our Father has breathed in our nostrils. I'm grateful for His love that He has sent His Ben Yahushua to atone us and to restore us through His blood. And now we can call upon our Father in Shamayim. I'm grateful for the protection and for the guidance and guardians that Yahuah have given through His messengers, His Malakim. I'm grateful for the family that He has given us, given me, and the little nieces and nephews who are giving us delight and gladness in our lives now. I'm grateful for the provisions, the food, the water, the shelter, and the bread of Chai and the light, which is Yahushua HaMashiach. I'm grateful for that I was taken out of the old way and has been restored unto Him and been shown the ancient path through His Ben, Yahushua. Praise be to Yahuah Avinu, Leolam Vaed.